Why the sky is blue. Why is the sky blue?
Do you know why the sky is blue? Let's find out together.
When you look up during the day, the sky looks so big and bright. But why not green, or purple, or red?
The answer is hidden in the sunlight. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually made of many colors. Just like a rainbow. When sunlight enters Earth's air, it meets tiny particles and gases all around us. Blue light gets scattered in every direction, much more than red or yellow light. That's why, when we look up, we see a blue sky everywhere. And guess what? During sunrise and sunset, the sky can turn red, orange, and pink. Because the sunlight travels farther and blue light scatters away. So now you know why the sky is blue. Next time you look up, you'll see science in action. Cool, right?